Bonjour, and a very warm welcome to all of our listeners. Today, we are diving into a topic that every language learner needs: how to start a casual conversation with a French speaker.
Salut! Yes, this is a big one. Starting a conversation in a new language can be intimidating, but today we are giving you the exact blueprint to do it smoothly.
Before we even look at vocabulary, we have to talk about cultural rule number 1 in France. You must say bonjour before anything else.
Absolutely. If you don't say bonjour first, the interaction is basically ruined before it starts. It's the ultimate key to politeness.
Exactly. Even if you just need directions, don't say, "Excuse me, where is the metro?" You must say, "Bonjour, excusez-moi."
It sets the tone. Now, let's look at how to transition from bonjour into a casual, friendly conversation if you're meeting someone at a social event, like a party or a meetup.
A great low-pressure way to start is by commenting on the environment or the event itself. For example, asking how they know the host.
Ah, yes. You could say, "Tu connais l'hôte depuis longtemps?" Or simply ask if they live in the area.
Let's try a quick mock dialogue demonstrating this. Imagine we are at a mutual friends gathering.
Perfect. I'll be the person you approach. Let's go.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Sophie. Tu es un ami de Thomas?
Salut Sophie. Oui, tout à fait. Je m'appelle Pierre. On travaille ensemble. Et toi?
Moi, je suis une amie d'enfance de Thomas. C'est une super fête, n'est-ce pas?
Oui, c'est vraiment sympa. Il y a beaucoup de monde.
And pause right there. Let's break down that phrase I used. C'est une super fête, n'est-ce pas?
N'est-ce pas means isn't it or right? It's a brilliant way to invite the other person to agree with you and keep talking.
It opens the door for a response without putting them on the spot.
Another great casual icebreaker is asking about someone's weekend or day, especially if you're in a recurring setting like a café or a shared workspace.
Right. You can say, "Tu as passé un bon week-end?" Or, "Ta journée se passe bien?"
Let's practice that one. I'll approach you this time at a local coffee shop counter where we both wait for our drinks.
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Bonjour. Il y a beaucoup de monde aujourd'hui, dis donc.
Bonjour. Oui, c'est vrai. L'attente est un peu longue.
Vous venez souvent ici? Le café est vraiment bon.
Oui, j'habite juste à côté, donc c'est mon endroit préféré.
Brilliant. Notice how I used vous there because we don't know each other yet.
Yes, it's safer to start with vous in a public space, and if the vibe is casual, you can transition to tu later, or just stick with a polite, friendly tone.
It shows respect, which French speakers highly appreciate.
Now that you've said bonjour and broken the ice, how do you keep a French speaker talking?
The secret is asking open-ended questions. Avoid questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no.
Instead of asking, "Do you like Paris?" ask, "Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire à Paris?" What do you like to do in Paris?
Exactly. Another classic topic for a casual chat is food or local recommendations. French people love talking about food.
Oh, absolutely. If you're a foreigner practicing French, asking for a recommendation is a cheat code. People love to help.
You can ask, "Tu as un bon restaurant à me recommander dans le quartier?"
Let's look at how to show you are listening actively. In English, we say, "Oh, cool," or "Really?" What do we say in French?
You can say "Ah bon" for "really?" or "C'est génial" for "That's awesome."
Another good one is grave, which is a slang way of saying totally or "I know, right?" among younger people. Let's put these into a continuous dialogue where we dive into hobbies and recommendations.
Du coup, Pierre, tu fais quoi de ton temps libre à Lyon?
J'adore tester les nouveaux restos, surtout les petits bouchons lyonnais.
Ah bon? C'est génial. T'as un resto préféré?
Oui, le café des fédérations. C'est traditionnel et incroyable.
Je note. J'adore la cuisine traditionnelle.
Tu devrais y aller. Et toi, tu as des passions?
Moi, j'aime beaucoup faire de la randonnée le week-end.
Grave, la région est magnifique pour ça. Look at how smoothly that went. We used "ah bon," je note, I'm taking note, and grave.
It sounds like a real, alive conversation, not a textbook grammar drill.
Now, what if you need to end the conversation? You don't want to just walk away awkwardly.
You want to leave a good impression. A nice way to wrap up is saying you have to go, but you enjoyed the chat.
You can say, "Bon, je dois y aller, mais c'était un plaisir de discuter avec toi."
And to reply, you can say, "Plaisir partagé. Bonne journée. The pleasure was mine.
Have a good day. Let's practice that final sign-off for our listeners. En tout cas, Sophie, c'était super de parler avec toi. Oui, merci. Bon, je dois y aller. J'ai un rendez-vous. À bientôt peut-être? Pas de problème. À bientôt. Bonne fin de journée. And that is how you start, maintain, and elegantly finish a casual conversation with a French speaker. Keep practicing these phrases, don't forget your bonjour, and we will see you in the next episode. Salut!